As a visitor, you will soon discover the true symbol of Tahiti, the tira flower. Men and women can either wear this around their necks, fashioned into a necklace, which is called a lei, or on their heads as a crown, which is called a hei. Prepare an edible flower garnish. Chill a coupe and put to one side. Collect a cocktail shaker. Add a bar spoon of agave nectar. Fresh lime adds natural acidity and balance. Watermelon is one of the island's most abundant tropical fruits. Creme de cacao gives a wonderful sweet chocolate undertone to this cocktail. This complements the spiced vanilla and subtle floral nuances of Hennessy VS. Add cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Empty ice from the coupe. Fine strain. Carefully place the edible flower on top of the cocktail. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.